Here I have ZTE Blade V50, and today I'm going to show you how to remove screen lock from this device in case if you set yourself PIN, password or pattern and unfortunately you forget it. So how can you unlock device in this kind of situation? Firstly, turn your device off by holding down power key. Wait until it turns off completely. And after that, hold down combination power key plus volume up at the same time for a couple of seconds like this, and after the screen turns on and you can see logo appear, to release power key and keep holding only volume up. In the following menu, using volume keys to navigate and power key to select an option wipe data factory reset, then select factory data reset, and after you see the message data wipe complete here, what you'll have to do is to select the first option, reboot system now, and device will be restarted in about a minute or two. So let's wait, data wipe complete, and we select reboot system now. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.